Ever gotten a cryptic text message about your credit card, heart pounding as you wonder if it's a legitimate notification or a sneaky phishing attempt? We've all been there. Today, we're tackling the case of Capital One. Do they send text messages, and if so, what kind? Let's face it, managing finances can be a battlefield. Between tracking bills, monitoring spending, and dodging sneaky scams, staying on top of everything feels like a full-time job. But what if technology could lend a helping hand? Text message alerts can be a valuable tool for staying informed about your credit card activity, especially when it comes to potential fraud. So, does Capital One join the ranks of banks that utilize text message communication? The answer is a resounding yes. Capital One offers a variety of text message services to their customers, designed to keep you in the loop and protect your hard-earned cash. But before we dive into the specifics, let's address the elephant in the room: phishing scams. These days, scammers are craftier than ever, so it's crucial to be vigilant. Remember, Capital One will never ask for sensitive information like your password or social security number via text message. If you receive a suspicious text claiming to be from Capital One, don't click on any links or reply. Instead, report it directly to the bank through their official channels. Now that we've covered safety first, let's explore the good stuff, the types of text messages you can expect from Capital One. Here are the main categories. Security alerts. This is where text messages truly shine. Capital One can send you real-time notifications about suspicious activity on your account, such as a large purchase made from an unfamiliar location. These alerts can empower you to take immediate action, potentially preventing fraudulent charges. Account updates. Need a reminder about your upcoming payment due date? Capital One can send you a friendly text nudge to avoid late fees. You might also receive texts about important changes to your account, like a new interest rate or updated account information. Verification codes. If you're logging into your Capital One account from a new device, you might receive a text message with a one-time verification code to add an extra layer of security. Now, you might be wondering, how do I sign up for these text message alerts? The good news is that in most cases, enrollment happens automatically when you provide your mobile phone number during the account setup process. However, you can always double-check your notification preferences through the Capital One mobile app or by logging into your online account. Here's a cool bonus. Capital One even offers a text-to-download program, allowing you to receive the download link for their mobile app directly to your phone. Just another way they leverage technology for your convenience. Of course, with all this talk of texts, it's important to remember that you have control over your communication preferences. If you find text message alerts overwhelming or simply prefer another notification method, you can easily opt out through the Capital One mobile app or by contacting customer service. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. By understanding how Capital One utilizes text messages, you can leverage this tool to your advantage, staying informed and taking charge of your financial security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and stay informed.